Channa goes in now, guys. So, as I told you, the Regal Channa, all you need to do is boil them up. I like to throw a little garlic in there when I'm boiling it. Couple cloves of garlic, just to get it nice and soft. And then you're ready to kind of just throw him in here and allow him to do its thing. Then, chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock. This is your liquid that the soup will kind of come together in. You want about 4 cups of good stock and then 2 cups of water. Let's see, so time to blend. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the final product. This is your creamy Channa chickpea soup. So you can't only eat Channa with doubles. You could now do a nice creamy soup. Please check CHICKPEA.com for the recipe. It's one of our classics. I love this soup.
I'm gonna try, eh? Joel, you have made me try a number of things that I do not eat at all.
I know that provisions being one.
Yeah, provisions. But Joel? But nice! Just Channa alone?
Channa and a little bit of pumpkin.
Joel, I don't eat pumpkin.
Take another one. Take another spoon. She take 2 spoons. she take.
This is actually quite good.
She take 2 spoons.
Yeah, this is actually quite.
Oh Lord.